Hi, this is Rob Savarie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today, I'm going to pick up Ryan, my new student, driving student. He's training to get his G2. So today is his first lesson, and I'm going to pick him up. Let's see how it goes. Hi, Ryan.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, you?
I'm good, thanks. Yeah, hop in there for a minute. Don't worry about your seatbelt. I'm just going to go through some of the car here with you before we start. There you go. You can put that there if you want. There we go. Check this out. You just saw that this morning.
Oh, Jesus.
20 minutes after he gets his...
Holy.
20 minutes.
Good job.
He's going like 30 kilometers over the speed limit.
Holy.
Holding a beer to celebrate. Crazy. But anyway, so did you take the course online or with Sharon?
Online.
Okay. So there's a lot of videos there.
Yeah, I would prefer to do I asked my dad to do the in-person, but he said online's easier, so we did online.
Yeah.
But it was not easier.
You do it at your own pace too.
Yeah. That's the thing. It took too long to do it, and then I just finished it like a month ago, and it's bad.
It took my daughter, when she did it, she was 19. It took her like 3 months to finish it. She wanted to poke her eyeballs out with her pencils there because I think it reads to you, and then she says like I can read it faster than it's.
Yeah, and then you just have to wait till you press the next slide, and then you're just sitting there, and then it asks a question about littering and stuff. I'm like,
what's that got to do?
What's that got to do with driving? Yeah,
like don't throw your garbage out the window, like they used to do in the 1970s.
Yeah, my buddy was he did the in-person. He said it was a lot easier. You only do it for 4 days.
Yeah, it's like 2 weekends.
Yeah, 2 weekends, and he said it was done quick. And I'm like, well, I should have done that instead of online.
Well, you got it all done now, so. And plus, too, like you didn't have to worry about turning in a booklet. That's one thing. So that's the advantage of taking the online course.
Yeah.
So have you had any driving experience yet, or? I
think I went driving once or twice with my stepmom there. But...
Cool. Okay. So we're not going to do anything fancy this morning. Like no donuts or anything like that. Drifting around the corner. I'm just going to keep it really simple. Each lesson just builds on the previous one.
Yeah.
And so for today, we're going to stay on the back roads, which will give you some really good experience with this kind of crap on the road here. So
yeah, because the highway there's like there's no snow on the highways, but
and. Also tomorrow
it's probably getting canceled, eh?
Probably, more than likely.
Yeah, I saw.
More than likely.
I'm like, well, shit.
Unfortunately, that's the issue with winter is just very unpredictable. So, I'll send you a text probably tonight. I'm thinking it's starting tonight.
Yeah.
I'll send you a text just to let you know whether it's a go or not. It's probably not a go, so just be prepared for that.
So for my when I canceled on Wednesday, it was right?
Yeah, Wednesday too. Jeez.
Yeah, it was bad. Yeah. Is that getting scheduled to soon?
Yeah, we're gonna reschedule all of that stuff. I gotta sit down in front of my laptop.
Yeah.
With my schedule there, and then I'll send everybody a text with different options.
Yeah.
Everyone I had to cancel. Which is a nightmare.
Well, yeah, I guess